Again, Denny Hamlin with a tandem draft down the back straightaway clears him and the 20 car. Problem is that right there, they get overran quickly by the pack when the pack catches them. Kurt went to the top. Kevin Harvick followed him. Now he's got Stenhouse Jr. behind him pushing him.
Great racing here at Talladega. You're not going to miss a thing. We go NASCAR nonstop.
Okay. Guys, I tell you what, rain's on the area, they are racing for this win. Just in case it does rain again.
Hi, Cheryl. What got into you?
Everything's slowly starting to calm.
At Sunoco,
Let's find
we
out.
know how to fuel peak performance. We've been doing it for American racing for over 15 years.
Are we going to race lap 188 or are we going to not race lap 188?
Oh, you're doing it
Which
wrong,
hope we
man.
do.
What's wrong with action figures?
Nothing except buying them without Capital One shopping.
Because I've seen
What's
too many
that,
weather delays.
Samuel,
We
Mr. L.
don't need another
Jackson?
one.
Capital One shopping instantly searches.
Whoa, Kevin Harvick with a big move, but it's going to shovel him out of line.
Whoa, you're my hero.
Yeah, I can tell.
Wow, he almost got turned.
Capital One shopping.
Ricky Stenhouse Jr. back to the front.
I don't say it like that, then. These are the people who work on.
Oh, Kurt getting a big push. Everyone's pushing for the race win.
That's why we created Horizon Frontline, the advanced networking technology for first responders, built on America's most reliable network.
They're pushing for the race win because last year the top.
And built for 5G. It's America's #1 network in public safety. Verizon Frontline, built right for first responders.
It's only just 10 left to go. Big move.
Every kid out there with a dream. You will face challenges, but trust me, no matter what,
Oh man.
keep pushing.
Bubba Wallace sitting in the outside lane. They're still pushing. Someone's gonna cause an accident. We saw with Alex Bowman when he got shoved into the wall.
For the Bills.
Don't mind the fly, guys. They'll get out of the
With
way.
these quarterbacks, the only way to settle this is to air it out.
Bubba Wallace getting a big push from that inside lane.
Oh, 2 seconds ago, big save. Everybody had to lift. We got separated, everybody.
Read that right, guys. More rain. So this is going to be the end of the race if it does come. It's above the racetrack, but let's hope it stays in the clouds.
Car on that outside line.
Kurt Busch will be teammates. Next year. St. Louis is starting today. Will he stay cemented right there behind this 23
Bubba
car?
Wallace still out front here at Talladega.
Trying to keep this inside line going. Trying to keep themselves organized.
Only 6 to go.
6 to go.
Stage 2.
My heart's pounding. What about yours?
A little bit of movement on that outside line. Here comes the 2 of Keselowski. He's been strong all day.
The sails on top of it.
Now they're talking rain.
Oh,
No. That
yeah.
only makes this intensity raise even more. What the driver just got told right there is this thing's going to end any second. The sail's right on top of us. This could be for the race win. Do what you got to do.
Whoa, Bubba Wallace!
Here, a little bit of rain.
Huge block from the 23 car to the top.
You heard it right there, a little bit of rain.
Outside line. What does Brad Keselowski do?
Does he go to the
He's
bottom?
going to continue to push the 23. They're getting out pretty far. That's
They're
a pretty
out there
big
too
lead.
far.
22, Logano's going to have a huge run here.
What does Bubba Wallace do now? Under 5 minutes to go. Here comes the 22 of Logano.
Logano to the outside. Bubba doesn't know what to do. The outside line's going to have some momentum here. Both lines.
Someone's going to get turned.
The 23. Here comes Logano. What does Bubba Wallace do right here? Is he going to make this block? Is he going to stay in the bottom lane? Right now, he doesn't
Stays
have to
in the
make a
bottom.
decision, but he's getting ready to. Here comes a big push for Logano.
Oh, Bushers around the wall!
Pushes around.
Oh, Glenn Swinburne and Matthew Benedetto, they're into the wall. Caution comes out. And fire from William Byron's number 24.
William Byron.
William Byron has had so much speed in these playoffs.
Man.
This things have not gone his way.
Alternator switch on.
You knew the intensity was coming.
See the flames continue to roll out from
Right front knocked off of it, man.
behind the 24.
And Matthew Benedetto got caught up in it as well.
Window net down. You see William Byron rapidly getting
Big
out of
hit.
that car as the AMR safety crew immediately to him.
So now William Byron and his teammate Alex Bowman both going to the roller next week, most likely in a must-win situation.
Take a look at what happens with Ryan Preece in the 37.